Hi, good morning to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Darlene Chen. I am 44 years old. I am married. I have five children, two boys and three girls. My father's name is Daniel Ikoy. My mother's name is Merlin Ikoy. I am the eldest in the family. I have two brothers and four sisters. My religion is Seventh-day Adventist. I live in Tagum City, Davao del Norte, Philippines. My height is 153 centimeter and my weight is 46.2 kilogram. I am hardworking, reliable, honest, loving, and God-fearing. I am a college undergraduate, though I was not able to finish my study, but I have 5 years experience of teaching and taking care of the kids and do all the house chores when I was in China. I work in one family with 6 members, including the madam and sir. I teach the kids how to speak English and sing a song for them. And here is my English song. Hello, hello, can you clap your hands? Hello, hello, can you clap your hands? Can you stretch up high? Can you touch your toes? Can you turn around and say hello? Hello, hello, can you clap your hands? Hello, hello, can you clap your hands? Thank you. Sir and Madam, I am willing to work in your family as a house helper without any supervision. So please don't hesitate to hire me. Thank you. Bye-bye.